Hello everyone, Nadeem here with TXengineWerx. So I get a question, and Philip gets this question too. How are we selling cars and there's a workshop, and how does that work? So here's the inside scoop. Philip, and you probably know he's been on some of the videos. He runs the auto workshop, so he's the operations guy for the auto workshop, and I run the dealership, the auto dealer. And what we do is I have access to nationwide auctions and wholesale auctions. So the way we do it is I will talk to somebody who's looking for a car, find out what kind of car, what kind of budget, colors, features, all that. And then I'll go out and look for the cars that match that criteria. And then once we find it, we tell the customer, hey, we found this car, it's going to be this much, it's this much is the auction fee, this much is the transport fee, it's in so-and-so state, wherever it is. And then we get that car in and do the inspection, and then the customer buys that car. So that's how the dealership and the workshop work together. I know people have been wondering, hey, how is that working? So I run the dealership, and then Philip runs the workshop, and they're kind of like two entities. Think of them as like sister companies. So that's the inside scoop on how all that works. And we have quite a few cars right now in the dealership. We have an Accord, we have a Jeep, we have let's see, a Tahoe, we have a Hyundai, we have an Audi Q5 that's still going through the inspection phase. So there's quite a few cars, and I have a few other cars that should be coming in shortly. I am in the process of bidding on them, so hopefully we get those cars. One of them I'm thinking of keeping for myself, but I'm not gonna give out any more information. So that's it. Just wanted to give a little quick update to everybody how all that works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you're in the market for a car, give us a try, and we'll see you soon, and have a safe day.